Dodge Grand Caravan 2008 to 2020. To remove the door panel, unscrew one bolt behind the door release handle and a second one under the armrest. Using a plastic trim tool, pry the door panel to release the 7 clips holding it in place. Then lift the panel upward and pull it toward you. Finally, from the back side, disconnect the door release cable and all electrical connectors.